Who is Will Roundtree?
Moving forward.
I've spent the past few years traveling the country, providing information, giving knowledge, teaching people about credit, teaching people about entrepreneurship, teaching people about real estate, talking generational wealth, legacy, all of that. There's a loophole in the banking system. Information is what separates the successful from unsuccessful. The average entrepreneur has to work an average of 10,000 hours. So now we're getting their money, we're loaning it out and investing it. We are now becoming the bank. This is actually my credit card, but this is only one of them. See, the thing is, it started with my mindset. And that's the thing that people have to realize, like, you can make money doing anything, but can it sustain? So on the real estate side, I think the biggest one is the emotional part. Mm-hmm. You know, I don't buy stuff because it's pretty. I buy stuff because it's profitable. I say often that cutting corners or taking shortcuts is expensive. People saying they're scared of failure. I'm like, how can you be scared to fail at something that you're already failing at? I used to have the goal of just wanting to be wealthy, but my work ethic didn't match the goal. And so I can remember one time one of my mentors said, Will, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. He was like, you got to start operating like a professional and start doing the activity that's going to calculate to get you to your net goal.
The biggest thing is fear.
I'm going to challenge you on that.
Okay.
Do you think it's fear or are people scared of the work? For the past 6 years, we've been able to help over 4,500 businesses collectively get up to $300 million in business funding. Let's focus on the solution. Let me help you create that solution. Let me help you find that solution. I work with people in the music industry. No matter what type of business you have, I promise you, creative financing is applicable for you. We can tell you to go out and get all of these cards and do all of these things, but the most important thing is that you are utilizing the credit responsibly. Did you know that 90% of all millionaires have real estate in their portfolio? You need to get your ass up off the couch and go purchase some real estate. That's one of the things that a lot of people overlook. When they look at someone who's successful, they see the cars, they see the trips, they see the money, but they don't understand what you have to go through to change how you think to get there. You know, there's a line they say, when you change your thinking, that's when you'll become successful.
Just want to shout out my man, Will. Anybody with bankruptcies, I'm living proof. He got me in the game.
One of the most important things that I'm walking away with from this mentorship is strategies, mindset, and being disciplined and executing.
Will Roundtree 90-day group coaching was nothing short of inspiring, motivating, mentally intriguing, and well thought out.
It's great, man. I'm glad I'm on this journey, and I'm glad I'm changing the mindset, to a growth mindset.
It's not just about money. It's about the quality of life.